Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on web server functions and the intricacies of the HTTP protocol. Our journey today will unveil the mechanisms behind web communication, highlighting how web servers interact with browsers to deliver content seamlessly across the internet. First, let's explore the essential roles of web servers: hosting websites and applications, reverse proxy, load balancing, content caching, monitoring and management. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, is a set of rules for transferring web pages, images, and files from web servers to browsers. Beyond the familiar GET request, HTTP supports a rich set of commands for versatile web interactions. The GET method requests resources like HTML pages or videos. For example, a browser uses GET to ask a server for a web page, which the server then returns for display. The partial GET request is crucial when only a section of a resource is needed, such as a part of a video. This method enhances efficiency by specifying a byte range for the request, perfect for content streaming. Utilizing command line tools like curl allows for the generation and testing of GET requests, demonstrating server responses to various HTTP queries. Conditional GET requests check if content has changed since the last access, reducing unnecessary data transfer by requesting resources only when updates are detected. The POST method submits data to the server for processing, essential for actions like form submissions and logins where the server must process user-provided data. The head method retrieves the headers of a resource without the body, useful for gathering metadata like content type and modification dates without downloading the content itself. Trace, a diagnostic method that echoes the received request, aiding in debugging. Options determines the supported HTTP methods for a resource, facilitating method discovery. Understanding HTTP response status codes is key to diagnosing web communication issues. 100 to 199 informational responses, 200 to 199 success codes, 300 to 399 redirection messages, 400 to 499 client error responses, 500 to 599 server error responses. Today we've delved deep into web servers and the HTTP protocol, elucidating how servers handle requests, the significance of various HTTP methods, and the importance of understanding response status codes. This knowledge is invaluable for web developers and IT professionals aiming to enhance web application performance and troubleshoot issues efficiently.